Hello penny pinchers, my name is Dehan and welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video we're going to be looking at the 4 penny stocks to watch as the entertainment stocks continue to jump in March 2021. So let's dive on in and check these esports and entertainment plays on out. So the first penny stock to watch right now is going to be Liquid Media Group Ltd. So this one has been relatively quiet this year. However, early in 2021 the company began making adjustments to its management. A new CEO, Ronald Thompson, was appointed in January, tasked with building upon Liquid's entertainment business. Also, for those of you Mighty Duck fans, the company's chairman is actor-producer Joshua Jackson, Charlie Conway. In any event, Liquid made headlines, this week with one of the most recognizable names in the gaming and entertainment, Atari. The company's Slipstream video on-demand platform will be made available for download on Atari's VCS PC console hybrid. This is a modern gaming and video computer system which blends consoles and PCs, delivering interactive entertainment. So while Liquid isn't necessarily getting into the esports or gaming directly, it does place them in front of an audience likely to be interested. Coincidentally enough, the VCS system is available for pre-order on the Atari site and GameStop.com. And we know GameStop is very, very hot right now, right? So ticker symbol YVR. Liquid Media Group is currently up about 4.79% as the day. It's trading at around $1.86 right now, and after hours it's making about a 0.5% move. So this stock has been trading between this $1.40 area and about the $2.25 area pretty much for the past year or so. It's been bouncing back and forth continuously, but we do see here at the end of 2020, beginning of 2021, the lows are getting a little bit lower than the previous times, and now the highs are getting a little bit higher as well. It broke through that 225, went all the way to about 250, hitting a previous resistance area, but did not break through it. It came back down, tumbling down once again. Volume is very low on these stocks right now. Actually, we're trading only about between 100 and half a million, thousand shares right now every single day, which is very, very low volume. So if we can pick up some volume on this one, it could definitely help push this stock up higher. Now it's currently trading at that 178 level, so it's at the support. Now if it bounces off, it can continue to gap up to 250. Once we pass 250, we go to about 275, $3 per share before hitting the resistance, and then we have all the way about 350 before we hit the next resistance. But I think that this one could be a good long-term play as we go throughout 2021, especially with the reopening of the economy. I think that it could continue to push on higher and higher. We're going to give it a price target of $3.25 per share. Let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think about this one? So as always, guys, I appreciate you guys' support. So go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in the first 24 hours of this video being up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell notification for more content like this. As always, if you guys want to sign up for Webull, links are going to be in the description. Get your 2 free stocks when you sign up today. If you guys want to join our Discord, make sure you get into our Patreon and leave a comment below what penny stocks are you checking out right now. The second penny stock on our list is going to be Allied Esports Entertainment Inc. So this one is more immersed in the esports space. In fact, the company has recently renewed its flagship property, the HyperX Esports Arena Las Vegas. I will say that AESE could be the beneficiary of symptom momentum right now, as everything else is booming on up as the reopening of the economy. So this company sold off on one of its larger assets, the WPT poker brand. Its reasoning was to focus on strategic alternatives. When I hear strategic alternatives, I think of a companies looking to pivot. Allied has already tapped the strategic advisor, Lake Street Capital Markets, to help with this plan. The company even said that it would be, it would entertain a potential sale of its esports business. Looks like Allied's goal is to become an entertainment holding company. No new updates have come out since then, but we can see a clear example of sentiment driving momentum starting last week. Citron Research reported that GameStop should explore a purchase of Esports Entertainment Group, GMBL, to pivot its business. This news acted as a catalyst and saw retail traders searching for companies with a similar business, obviously. So this one, ticker symbol AESE, it was up about 3.7% today, currently trading at $2.50. Then after hours, it made another 18% move, or about 46 cents, all the way to almost $3 per share. Now this one, midterm and long term, it's very, very bullish on it. So that's actually a positive thing right here. Obviously with COVID, this stock was trading down here around $1 per share. Then we saw it continue to trend on up towards the end of 2020. And now as we're, getting into the reopening of the economy, we've made over 200% gains up here at the high, and obviously a little bit overbought. So we, pulled back down. We hit a previous resistance area right there around that $3 area. Didn't make it through, bounced back down. Volume is actually very low, only trading between a million, about a million shares, sometimes 5 or 6 million, depending on the day. So we definitely need some more volume. Now it looks like it's consolidating here around this $2 area. If it can continue to consolidate there where it was a previous support level and a previous resistance level at times as well, if we can consolidate and bounce on off, continue to go on to about $3, past that, our next resistance area is going to be around the $4 mark. If it can continue to go past that, we make new 52-week highs and higher highs and higher highs. So this one, we're going to give a price target of $4 per share for the rest of March and going throughout 2021. The number 3 penny stock on the list is going to be Monaker Group Inc. So this one, it could fall in the entertainment umbrella after the last few announcements it has made. Initially focused on the leisure space, some could have qualified this as a travel stock as well. Now, however, the news from January puts this company right in the model of gaming. Monaker entered into an agreement that is subject to shareholder approval where it would acquire Hotplay Enterprise. Hotplay is an in-game advertising company. Now, the plan with this acquisition is to bring in the ad tech company and simultaneously and transform into NextPlay Technologies. Now, while we focus on products for video games and travel verticals, there could also be a tie-in for blockchain solutions, according to the company. While the market awaits the outcome of the shareholder vote, MKGI stock has been, seeing some momentum building as it relates to a jump in the entertainment and esports penny stocks business. So, this one, ticker symbol MKGI, it was down about 1.66% and then another almost 5% in after hours. So this one's been on a trend up, obviously, since the COVID started, and we've been, trading here, bouncing between $2 and $4 per share, bouncing back and forth. $2 support, $4 resistance. We've seen it a few times now. Volume is actually, picking up lately. We're currently trading between 1 and about 4 million shares per day, depending on the day. And as you can see, we've had, gains from $2 all the way up here to highs of about $4.68. So that's over 100% gain just there in a matter of about 2 or 3 weeks. The stock couldn't break through the resistance area at around 450, pulled back down all the way to about $3 per share, bounced off now. We're consolidating, so we're making higher highs and lower lows, which is a positive thing to see. As long as that continues throughout the next, few months, it could definitely continue to push this one higher. We're going to give this one a price target of $5 per share for the rest of 2021 and further on. And last but not least, at the number 4 spot is going to be Blue Hat Interactive Entertainment Technologies. But before we dive on this one, guys, if you made it this far into the video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. It takes a quick second. Subscribe to the channel as well. The Blue Hat Interactive develops augmented reality interactive entertainment games. It also produces toys and educational materials in China. Now, obviously, education technology has become a centerpiece of the global pandemic. Schools conducting virtual learning and even business relying on communication technology to advance on-the-job training have placed a spotlight on related companies. Now, Blue Hat has been closing deals and gathering IP for use in the things like social media. Everything from licensing brands to acquiring companies has boasted interest in the company. Its most recent closed purchase was of that Chinese mobile game developer and distributor CSF Tech Co. Ltd. So this right here is going to be a quote by the CEO of Blue Hat. Over a long period, this combination presents an incredible opportunity for Blue Hat to drive sales through an expanded interactive gaming portfolio, increased avenues for global distribution, and increased brand recognition as well. So ticker symbol is going to be BHAT. And this one was actually, it looks pretty flat actually for the day, which is pretty crazy. Previous close was 148 and we were at 148, so it literally did nothing, even though it was up here at around 165 at the open, up about 17 cents. So it came back flat. After hours, up about 4.7%, trading at 155. Now this one was trading down here at around 80 cents per share, and then continue to trend on up towards the end of the year, and especially towards the beginning of January and continue until now. So it went from about 84 cents all the way here to highs of about 177. So over 100% gain there in a matter of a month or two. And then we obviously saw this pullback here, which is healthy. Higher highs, lower lows. That's what we're seeing right there. Volume was high here on certain days, 26 million shares. But on average right now, we're trading between, 1 and 3 million shares daily, depending on the day. So we're doing very well there. We bounced off of the 125 area right there, which is great. It didn't continue to fall. If it would have continued to fall, we could have potentially came back down all the way back to that 80 cents, 90 cents area. But we bounced off of that 125 previous resistance, current support level, and now we're bouncing higher and higher. Now with this one, we're going to give it a price target of $2.25 and see what happens throughout the next few months going throughout 2021. But I think that $2.25 is going to be a reasonable price target for this company right now. Let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think about this one as well? And as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so all of these penny stocks are just for entertainment purposes, just for you to check out and see what's going on as some of these stocks and esports and entertainment penny stocks are jumping in March 2021. and some of them are getting even sympathy plays with the reopening of the economy, obviously. So let me know in the comments below which one of these are you going to be looking at, or if you own any of these in your portfolio. So if you guys want to trade these, speak to your financial advisor. If you guys want to sign up for Webull, there's going to be a link in the description. Your 2 free stocks link in the description, valued at up to $1,800. And as always, I hope you guys enjoy this type of content. If you do, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below what penny stocks are you trading, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.